In the next few tutorials, we are going to learn to animate a character just like me, saying something happy, sad, angry, and confused. After we've learned how to draw and animate these expressions, we're then going to learn how to animate the mouth of the character actually saying all these things.
In this video, we are going to add facial expressions to our character. Let's hear our dialogue first.
In the next few tutorials, we are going to learn to animate a character just like me, saying something happy, sad, angry, and confused. After we've learned how to draw and animate these expressions, we're then going to learn how to animate the mouth of the character actually saying all these things.
We enter the head symbol as seen in the video. We add a new layer in this symbol. This layer will act as a guide to our animation and will help us to add the expressions. Lock all the layers except the new layer. We will put the happy expression just before our character says happy. We add a keyframe on frame number 140 using F6 key on the keyboard. On frame 160, we add another keyframe using the F6 key for the sad expression. We do the same for angry and the confused expression. Please see the video and follow. We now select every keyframe and in the Properties tab, we label the keyframe by expressions which we want to add. We now right-click on the guide layer and select Copy Layers option from the menu. We go inside the eyes, eyebrows and mouth symbols and paste the guide layer as seen in the video. We will now add keyframe on all the layers in the head symbol on frame 140 using F6. We go inside the mouth symbol and add a keyframe on frame 140 on a new layer and add a blank keyframe on the same frame so that our normal mouth shape will not be seen from this keyframe. We now select the happy mouth shape from the library of the mouth. We copy the shape and paste it in place of frame 140. We enter the right eye symbol and add keyframe on frame 140 on all the layers. We select our eye blink animation and press it and hold down Alt key and drag it before frame 140 so that the character will blink before changing the expression. We add keyframe on frame 139 on the patch which is below the eyeball and add another keyframe on frame 136 on the same layer. On frame 139, we move the patch up as seen in the video. We select the frames in between, right-click and select Create Shape Tween from the menu. We come out of the symbol and do the exact same process for the left eye. Please see the video and follow. We now add the movement to the eyebrow according to the blink. We add a keyframe on the frame where the eyes are completely closed and move the eyebrows down. We enter the mouth symbol and move the keyframe on frame 137. We do this so that the character will change the mouth slightly before the whole expressions. We will now move ahead to add the sad expression to our character on the marked keyframe. Firstly, we will add the mouth shape by going in the mouth symbol. The process is the same. We add a blank keyframe on the new layer which has happy mouth and add the sad mouth shape from our library. We enter the right eye and add the keyframe on frame 160 on all the layers. Here we will have to move the patch down for the sad expression. So we add keyframe on frame 156 and 159 and we move the patch down and add shape tween. In the sad expression, we will also have to move the pupil down so that the expression will be strong enough. We exit the symbol and enter the left eye symbol and do the same. Please see the video carefully and follow. We come out of the symbol and add keyframe on frame 156, 157 and 159 on the mouth layer. We need to move the mouth down a bit. Please see the video. We will add classic tween after we have set the position of the mouth. We will enter the eyebrow symbol and change the shape of the eyebrow for the sad expression. We do the same for the other eyebrow. We have now added the sad expression. We will now do the angry expression. Please see how we change the eyebrows and mouth for the angry expression. We will now do the confused expression in the same way. We have now done all the expressions of our character according to the dialogue. To enhance the expression change more, we will add eyebrow movements to our character. The eyebrows move when the eye blinks. So we will also add the eyebrow movement where there are blinks. We can see what result we have with us at this stage. We have also added some head movements here. We will learn more about the head movements in our acting tutorial, as this tutorial only focuses on expressions.
In the next few tutorials, we are going to learn to animate a character just like me, saying something happy, sad, angry, and confused. After we've learned how to draw and animate these expressions, we're then going to learn how to animate the mouth of a character actually saying all these things.
In the next part of this tutorial, we will add the lip sync to our character. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.